Hi guys, welcome to Veganuary Day 6. We are in the middle of a blizzard right now. I feel like Auntie Mame. I need a little summer right this very minute. So we're gonna make some vegan hot dogs. Right? These are not your typical, we call them dental dogs because they smell like the dentist. When you get those ones at the supermarket, props to them for trying to make something, but these are so much better and they are so much better for you. They're made with carrots! Really? Mind blown. So today I'm making full-sized ones with rainbow carrots. I love rainbow carrots, and they're even more healthy because the darker and more colorful a vegetable is, the more stuff is in it. So it's healthier. So I got one more carrot to prepare here. I'm just gonna cut the tips off and peel it. I got my water on the stove coming up to a boil. I'm just going to pop these in there until they're tender. I don't want them mushy, but I don't want them crunchy either. So I'm thinking between 15-ish and 20-ish minutes simmered on the stove. So we're almost at a boil. I'm just going to pop these in there. Look at those ones with the purple, have a little yellow dot. So we're gonna do these until they're fork tender. Whoops! Drain the water, let them cool off, and then I'll show you the marinade that these bad boys are gonna go into. Guys, our carrots are all ready to go. They're cooled off, they're drained. We're ready to make the marinade. So we're gonna do it in a little plastic dish because it's got a lid on it, and it's easy to rotate it while it's marinating because you want to keep it moving so that all of the flavors get everywhere, every nook and cranny. So let's start off with the dry ingredients. We've got onion powder, garlic powder, mustard powder. If you don't have mustard powder, you could just use a little bit of mustard. Some brown sugar, aka coconut sugar. That's all going into the container. We're going to put in a little bit of liquid bouillon. We're also going to put in some liquid smoke. This is not your average ingredient. You might have to search for this a little bit. I got mine at the supermarket. It's in the aisle with the barbecue sauce. Just ask somebody. I mean, this is a pretty mainstream thing. I'd never seen it until I had gone vegetarian, but that's where it is. And it smells like the smokiness of bacon. It's really good. I'm not going to measure it because you don't really need to. Nice splash. And then we're going to add the final two ingredients, which is liquid aminos, aka low sodium soy sauce. So I'm going to put some of that in. And we're also going to put Maddie's favorite ingredient in.
False.
Some apple cider vinegar. You could use another, like a rice vinegar if you wanted, maybe with a little splash of balsamic vinegar. That'll probably help the carrots turn like a darker color so that they look more like hot dogs. Because you know, you eat with your eyes as well as with your mouth. So if it looks like a hot dog and you think it looks like a hot dog, it's going to help it taste more like a hot dog. Although I do have to say, these really do taste like hot dogs. So we're just going to give that a quick mix. And then we're going to lower the future hot dogs into the mixture. Don't splash because that smoke can stain. So you don't want to wear your wedding gown to do this.
Oh man.
I know, right? All right, so I generally leave these in overnight, but they could be ready in 8 hours or so. The longer, the better though. So like just zhuzh it up a little bit. Don't go nutso shaking it because you're going to dent the hot dogs and it's going to be all a mess. But every time you go in the fridge, you know what? Just give it a little turn like that. And then we'll be ready to cook these tomorrow. See you tomorrow. It's the next day.
That was beautiful.
Wasn't it? You're jealous, right?
Yep.
All right, so we're going to open the tiny hot dog coffin and see what's inside. Hey, come on guys. Whoops. Yeah.
Ooh.
Looks exactly like hot dogs.
Yeah, it does.
It might not, but boy. Woo, it smells
like
good.
it.
Smells good. All right, so we've got our parchment paper over here. And we're going to put our hot dogs on it. This is so difficult, this part. You just put the hot dogs on the parchment paper. Heat up your oven to 375 and put it in for about 15 to 20 minutes. So difficult. What are you laughing about? It's true.
Okay.
Alright, here we go. You beautiful little puppies are going in on top of those onion rings. Alright, here we go. What?
Dang. The spread.
We've got some garlic and dill sauerkraut to put on our hot dog.
Looks good.
It's a foot long.
Yeah.
You can break out of jail with that one. Alright, so we've got some nice mustard on it. We've got some bean onion rings on the side.
Give me a hot dog.
Yeah. It's super hot. It just came out of the oven.
Can't wait to burn my mouth.
The dogs are like, come on. I thought you were vegan. Why are you eating a hot dog?
This is very beautiful.
Full disclosure, I pumped up the volume to 400 for the last 5 minutes at the end. You can also, Puppy,
I'm just trying to get some of this bread off so I can bite it and get the hot dog.
you can also do this on a pan on the stove, or if it's actually summer, you could put it on the grill.
Ooh, that would be really nice.
Right?
Yeah.
We don't have a grill anymore.
That's a bummer.
Yeah.
All right, ready?
Yep.
Okay. Take me out to the ball game.
Oh, yeah?
That is nice.
All right. That's what we're having for lunch today.
I really can't believe how much that tastes like a hot dog.
Right?
That is wild.
All right. Well,
Hope you guys try it out.
I hope you try it out.
And it's so much healthier than an actual hot dog.
I know it's really hard to do, but try. You might really enjoy it. Thumbs up if you like this video. If you're enjoying Veganuary, let us know so that we can pump it up. And until next time, much love.